Hello there, welcome back to a new episode of Safford and Sypha's channel. Today we got a new episode. We're gonna be discussing the new Jurassic World Dino Trackers XUANHANOSAURus. We're gonna be comparing to a Primal Attack Gasosaurus and a Dino Escape Masiakasaurus. So, yep. We'll start with the Gasosaurus. This is from Primal Attack. This is very rare now. You can't even find this in the stores. It looks like a Walmart edition because of this battle damage right here. It's one of a kind. It doesn't have a variant yet from Mattel. Yeah. It looks like a little T-Rex, but it's not. It's got 3 fingers actually, if you look at that. Tyrannosaurus only has 2 fingers. Then we're gonna go to Dino Escape's Masiakasaurus, the red version, instead of the green one. There you go. It has this feature. You push that, it just moves the neck, the mouth doesn't move. It's manual. Jurassic World Alive already has this as an Omega creature. It's like a black and gray version. Mattel doesn't have that yet. There's the skinny DNA. There it is, and we're gonna go to our main guy now, the XUANHANOSAURus. Sounds Chinese. Sounds like a Chinese dinosaur. Actually, let me search it. Oh, yep, I was right. It's found in Sichuan, based in China. So let's open it up. We don't have this yet. It's a great addition to our collection. Oh, there we go. Alright, it's got a nice color there, but it seems like Mattel decided not to color the tail anymore. They could at least add more black to match the snout and the head. They didn't even color the claw. Nothing there. Maybe I'll just add the color here. Put a little brown or black in it. It's like so feathery right here. Let's see the scanning DNA. There you go. Okay, let's compare to the Gasosaurus now. Yeah, there you go. See the link. Now for the Dino Escape Masiakasaurus. Alright. Okay, that's all it has. It doesn't turn. Alright. So on my description, there's going to be links right there. If you click it, it'll take you to another video. There will be different links. That's right. So once again, I'd like to say thank you for the support and the non-stop likes. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video again, guys. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.